Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day, an old mate of mine popped in to see me, and while he was here, my daughter came home from what was one of her very final GCSE exams at school. For those of you who don't know, these are exams that you take when you're 16 here, before you then go on to do sixth form. And my mate was asking how they'd been going and what her plans were for her A-levels, which are the exams you do from 16 to 18. She said that everything was going okay, and she was hoping to do politics, sociology and history at A-level. My mate said, "Oh, that's quite interesting. History used to be my favourite subject when I was at school, but actually, mainly just because I had the hots for my history teacher, actually." If you have the hots for someone, you find them sexually attractive. So you might have the hots for someone that you work with, someone in your office or someone in your school, and maybe you're trying to pluck up the courage to tell them, or pluck up the courage to ask them out on a date. Maybe you have a friend or an acquaintance who you've had the hots for ever since you first met them. Maybe a friend of yours might have the hots for your brother or your sister, which can be a little bit awkward. And maybe when friends ask you why you're still single, you might tell them, well, the reason I'm still single is because it's usually only ever creeps who have the hots for me. And thanks, but no thanks. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use have the hots for someone.